Hey Roar Kids, Tim and Kathy back here, and I don't want you to forget, even though we're not at church right now, BGMC goes on.
Yes, absolutely. Keep collecting your money for BGMC.
Right.
Even though we won't, next Sunday is our regular BGMC Sunday, even though we probably won't get to be in church, our fear is we won't, but keep collecting your money, and as soon as we get around the first Sunday in the month we're back, we will collect BGMC and send it off to our missionaries. That is such an important thing that you young people are involved in, and we want to just keep working toward it.
Children, for decades now, have been dropping coins into the barrel and been making a huge difference in the kingdom of God around the world.
BGMC, Buddy, has been teaching the youngest in our fellowship to live for something beyond themselves.
This year alone, BGMC has taken the gospel to more than 30,000 children around the world.
Once we're back in church, we will resume the contest, the boys versus girls. So boys, you guys have still got a chance in this.
Oh yeah.
And it doesn't matter, if you bring $2 or $20. The important thing is that you bring money. And your parents help you collect money, because our missionaries rely on that. There's needs all around the world. Those needs don't end just because this virus is going on. In fact, it's probably a whole lot more of a need today in countries all around the world because of this.
Right.
But you can have a part in changing lives of boys, girls, adults all around the world with your giving.
Buddy Barrel. Boys, Girl, Missionary Challenge. Buddy Barrel.
And each month we bring buddy barrels full of money to help change the lives of boys and girls and men and women around the world.
Every penny of BGMC goes to help people around the world learn about the love of Jesus and His plan of salvation.
But the money does more than that. It pays to drill wells in Africa so people have clean water to drink and don't get sick. It also provides food for those who are hungry.
Finally, BGMC helps build schools and train missionaries and provide anything missionaries need to reach the lost. On an average through BGMC, for every dollar given, a person is reached with the message of Jesus' love.
You can